welcome to this series. Previously, we have done brick game. We have finalized that in this series. I think snake game is very famous, and this is the basic game we have to learn for extremely large game to make. Now, this basic game is simple to make. We are using P5JS. I think we should make this same in Python also. But first of all, we will make some 2 or 3 games in P5JS series and we will make this. I have create a folder called snake game and I have included P5 mini.js. Now I will create a new file. Sorry for this. P5 was opened because it is heavy file, so it is giving me some error. Let's copy this HTML file for now because I need this HTML code, new file, and this I'll make this snake. Let's make index. Let's make a snake.html. In this HTML, I will put all the things, but that was the snake previous sketch. I don't need this. Now here I just need I think P5 mini just yes P5 dot min dot js. I don't need this file, and now I will create another file. I will create this game loop. Let's make this game.js. Here two functions should make this setup and function. Sorry for this function draw. Now snake game, here I have to include that function script. I don't need this file. src is equal to snake no sorry for this is game.js. Remove this and let's close script. Sorry for this, it is not completing me. I think and this two already had been included, so now I will create this on object oriented programming. So I will make this snake.js, means the body of snake will be defined there. Now I will add this file there. Now this is snake.js. This is our main page. Let's make game.js. First of all, I will set up the canvas. Create canvas to I will make this what I want to make this to 600 by 600. Now I will make this function background to 0. We don't need semicolon here. Now the things is we have to make something. First of all, we have to make a snake head. We know that it is easy to make. I will make a snake. Sorry for this. Yes, ellipse. I will make this to 10. Sorry for this. No, I'll make this to 20 comma 20, and I will give wide of ellipse is equal to 10 and height of ellipse is equal to 10, so that it will be circle. Now I will fill to 255 white color and stroke to same 255. Now I have the folder here. I think this is my file. Now I will run this as Google Chrome. It is giving me something error. Snake game.js. I should inspect this resource mini.js. File not found. Sorry for this. This is previous version. Game.js. rp5 main.js. Sorry for this is main not main. So it was giving error. Let's now it is giving me 10. It is so small, but it would be good for us. I think this should be of 20. Let's make me of 20. Now I will make this of 10, same 10. Now where is my game.js? Now I have to define some function. Now I will make this function. This is key paste. Now I will switch here. Key code. I think this is key code. Yeah, because there are 4 person, and I should make this left underscore arrow. Default. I will print just print because I don't need any default. Case right down arrow and break. So this, so I think this should be here. Case this should be of arrow, and this should again break. Now this should be case down arrow. Now this has been made. Now I have to move this position. Simply what I want to do when this press, I have to move. Let's make the speed. I will make this global function speed. Let speed, I will say this speed. This is for this demonstration purpose only, so I will remove this. Now create vector. Here I will make 0, 0. Now here I will pass simply speed. Same thing I will pass here, so that I could make this. Only I will make for left arrow speed is equal to -1 here. Here -1 for speed. Now when the draw function will be made, I will just this that y. I will make this. Let's I think I should first demonstrate the movement. Let x is equal x comma y position x is equal to 10, for this 20 initially, and y is equal to 20. Now this is x and this is y. Now every time I should make x plus is equal to speed dot x, this x, and y plus is equal to speed dot y. Now let's run this. If we get only for this, yes, it is moving, it will not come back. Now these things will be done, all the things will be done the in class in object oriented programming. If you know object oriented, that is making classes and object of that class. Now I will create a class. Here I will create class name called snake. Here in this constructor I will, first of all I should define this dot x. No. I will demonstrate that. Let's open paint. I have no blackboard and whiteboard here, so that I could not show you there. Suppose this is one snake, and a snake has body like this and this and this. This is my bad drawing. Here these snake are the area of circle. Here this should have position, different position and different position. If I make this x position, y position, then it will create something noisy. Means I should create every time x1, x2, x3, x3, something that is so irritative for us. So I will make a array. There I will pass x of every point and y of this every point, and I will save this on the vector. Now I think I should make, first of all, this dot I should make radius. This dot is snake radius. I'll make this to 10. This dot is snake body. I'll just create body. Now let's create a snake. This dot snake body dot push. We can push simply. This is the function that will push every item. Means that I think adding push means this is adding. The push and pop actually works in stack. I will demonstrate that stack. Suppose I have a shelf for book like this. Book shelf have this container. When I place on book, this is adding book. Book are added above this and above this and above this and above this. If I want to take this book, I have to remove first this, second this, and all I have to pop, and I have to add this book, I have to push here. Like this I am pushing something in this array, but we will do something later. Let's first of all push that body. Push, I will create vector. In this vector I will make the position to 20, 20. This has been made. Now let's make. What I have to make is I have to show the snake display. This is not a game logo in main game loop we make here. So something this is not what we want, but I will make this. And I need next variable to update snakes. Let's make update. This will update the snake, but now I will just show this way. Now I want to display all the snake that snake body. So for this, let's make, if I create this zero position for this now, but this will not be sense for us. Let's make I is equal to 0 and I is less than. Here this dot snake body dot length, this is length, length, yes, this is length, I plus plus. I should draw, let's fill this value, fill to be 255, and I think what I have to do, what I have to do is, yes, stop. Yeah, this is how we can fill this, and this will make all the snake. Here we have only one snake, that is a position 0. I am feeling so sleepy. Now what I want to do this, I want to print ellipse. ELLIPS. I think this is the spelling of ellipse. And ellipse take the position. This dot snake body dot I dot X, comma, I think this is, yes, this dot snake body, this same is I dot Y, comma, this should be this the snake body dot, no, this is snake radius, comma, this dot snake radius. Now let's see if we got this. I think something is wrong there. Let's clear that tool. Yes, as there is no anything error message, but error message was in our game. Here I have to call that function. First of all, I have to make the class of that function. Let's remove this, we don't need anything here. I don't need speed 2. Now here I think I need a variable called let snake. Here this is the snake part. Snake is equal to new snake. This is like what the object oriented of Java, you could see that. Now here from this class I can so call that function. Until we don't call that function, we will not able to make that class. Sorry, so see that snake dot, I think this is what display. Yes, this is display. Now let's run this. Yes, we have a point call of the snake. Now what I have want to do, what I want to do now, let's make what yes, I have to move this. Before I move that, I will make that position here. Let's create a function called, I should make a function here. This function will be No, I'll just move this. Let's in this function, let's move change position. This will be the function that will take argument called new pose. Here what I want to do is uh, let's make new position should be previous position that was the that. Now for I want to make speed now. Speed is equal to, yes, this is the speed. Speed is equal to period factor. Here I will pass simple 0 comma 0. I don't need this, sorry for this. Speed is equal to 0 comma 0. Now when I get speed should be equal to new pose. This is new position. Now let's see, I should update that. For now I will make this, that is snake body, this will be 0 dot add. So this is the add person. If this is, yeah, let's add the speed. Now here I will make same position here for all, copy and paste. This should be here and here. This should be to here. This is JavaScript, so it will not take any indexing error. Now simply think right arrow plus, this will be 0 and up arrow means -1 and 0 1. Let's see if I get it. Speed is not defined, or it is in the snake line number 6. Snake line number 6, where is this? This dot is speed. This dot is speed. This dot is speed, and last this dot is speed. Now this should run now. Yes. No. No. It is tracking. Yes. Yes. So what I have to do? I have not called this. Sorry for this. Here speed, no speed. I have to pass that position here. Let's make this. Sorry for this. It will be, so it was showing me error. And this will be like this. Let's run again. No, oh no, change position is not defined. Change position has not been defined. This is snake dot. Snake dot, snake dot, snake dot. Snake, where is snake? And snake. Should it works? No, no. Position. I should print here. If I got this position. Oh no. Oh no. we have to call all the position, it will not show. Snake dot, let's make, we will first of all update that, and let's make, oh no, if it should, yeah, if you press all the things it would just print default. I don't need default, and this, let's refresh this. Now this video is long, 25 minutes, so I want to show you in next video. We will make a food for it, and it will eat and it will increase. Thank you for watching this video. Let's meet in next.